friends, my name is Avinash Ravindra Kulye from Gokte Joglegar College, Ratnagiri. To the first topic is component of computer system. Your computer performs 5 major functions no matter what side they are up. Their data or instruction are accepted as input. Data and instruction are stored, and the stored data process. Then control of all operation inside the computer is taken. Then result in the form of outside in display or printer. So base 10 days, any computer system divided into 4 major basic unit. Number 1, input unit. Number 2, storage unit. Number 3, central processing unit. This is for classified into arithmetic logic unit, control unit. Number 4, output unit. Let us see brief information about this unit. Number 1, input unit. Data and instruction must enter the computer system before any component can be performed the supplied data. What is output unit? The job of in the output unit in the just reverse of double input unit the supplied information and results and computation to be outside role in a meaningful form. It's so what will sing in videos, audios, otherwise printer format for all called outside unit, output unit. Storage unit, data and instructions that are entered into the computer system through input unit have to be stored to be get processed, so we store in the storage unit. Normally this kind of secure hard disk, floppy disk, SD drive, DVD drive, pen drive, etc. Nowadays all mobile phone was as big storage unit covering 64 gigabit, 128 gigabit let large now. Okay, the storage unit provides space storing data and instruction space for intermediate results, and also final result intermediate are stored in the RAM file, and final results are stored in the hard drive and all. Let us see some information about central processing unit. Central processing unit, the main unit inside the computer unit responsible for all events inside the computer. The control all internal and external device perform arithmetic and logic operation. The control unit and arithmetic and logic unit of a computer system are jointly known as the central processing unit. The CPU is brain of computer system. So let's now see what a arithmetic and logic unit in the CPU. The arithmetic and logic unit are computer system in the place where actually the instruction take place along or during the process of operation. All calculations are performed and all comparisons are made in the ALU unit. Data and instruction stored the primary storage prior to processing and transfer, and when needed to ALU unit where processing takes place. No processing is done the primary storage unit. Next we'll see about control unit. The control unit direct and control the activities of the internal and external device. It interprets the instruction fed into the computer, determine what data, if any, are needed, where it is stored, where to store the result of operation, and send the control signal to the device involved in the execution of the instruction.
Thanks for watching this video.